Hi guys, my name is Bindushri and my friends Sri Lakshmi, Ravalika, Shrikant and Mamata. Today here we are to explain significance of port scanners and what are the port scanners we used. Welcome to a video demonstration on web application scanner. In this section, we will explore the importance of scanning web applications for vulnerabilities, focusing on two tools, skipfish and wapiti. While they are primarily web application scanners, they also check for open ports and other vulnerabilities, which are crucial for securing networks and web applications against potential threats. Port scanners are crucial for networking security because they help identify open ports, which can be entry points for cyber attacks. By detecting these open ports, administrator can secure them by closing unnecessary ports or implementing proper security measures. This proactive approach helps prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security threats, ensuring the overall safety and integrity of the network. First, we have to use Kali Linux for this. We have to install and download skipfish and wapiti for this. We already did this, and this is the demo of how we used Kali Linux and install skipfish and wapiti. Now my friend Shrikant will continue with skipfish.
Hi team, this is Srikanth. I would like to tell about the skipfish. We are installed the skipfish and using the commands like sudo su. Yeah, it is assigning the root directory, which is a file in the GitHub. We are assigning the repository file of the skipfish in the GitHub, and the commands. It's cloned with the repository of skipfish, and now it is a depository of the skipfish is going on. The CD skipfish is a change direct to the skipfish, and ls is the list of all directories in the skipfish. And we are using the command like all the directories are now we are seeing all the directories and files in the skipfish. And here we are assigning the port number and IP address for check the vulnerabilities in the port number. And now using the port number 202. You can see the port number is 202, and the IP address is HTTP 192.168.1. And the WordPress, we are coming all the files in the directory management options, performance settings, and all those things. Now we can the skipfish file is open, and here it scans the time, and partial report will be written to the specified location to view all the current scanned URLs and the press at any time during the scan. And we it used to take time of 60 seconds. And the what are the vulnerabilities on the checks, you can see it down. You can see the all the scan statistics and database statistics here. The scan time is 7 minutes, and the data you can see the TCP faults and HTTP faults, request pendings, and pivots in progress, missing nodes, all those things here. Signature is 77 total. And now we can see the other things here. Like here the 15 slots in the 202 port number. It's showing the copyright statistics and sorting, annotating, crawl nodes, all those things. Here we are checking all the vulnerabilities in the port number 202 with IP address. And this is the how the skipfish is running here. Thank you. Now my friend will continue the next.
Next, we'll use wapiti. Open the terminal and run the command wapiti. Here you can see we have to use command wapiti sudo apt get install wapiti. Now you will get all the information about reading package list, building dependency tree, reading state information, and you can see the version. It is the newest version of wapiti, and it shows us that wapiti is installed. Now we are ready to use wapiti, and the next command we are going to give is wapiti space -h, and then we get the results for that. The H denotes help here, And now we will give an other command, wapiti hyphen get cookie. Here you can see help is H is denoted for help, and U URLer, and C for cookie. Cookie file in wapiti Johnson format where cookies will be stored, and you can see P for proxy, and D for data, A for agent, and H for header. Now all these things we have to give commands in order to get the results. And next my friend will continue.
Here we use two port scanners for examining skipfish and wapiti. Skipfish are fast tool for web security check-in. It uses a dictionary to find issues like SQL injection. Figure 1 shows a scan of 192.168.10202 displays scan time, HTTP request, and issues form. It highlights how many servers and pages were checked and the problem found. Wapiti is a tool for finding web applications and vulnerabilities. It tests for issues like SQL without looking at the source code. Figure 2 shows the command options include setting proxies and login details. It demonstrates how Wapiti scans and reports security problems. My friend will continue.
Here is a comparison of strengths and weaknesses of skipfish and wapiti. These both are web application security scanners, each with distinct features and capabilities. Coming to strengths of skipfish, it is fast and thorough, and it is capable of identifying many weaknesses quickly, and it is highly customizable with low resource usage. And coming to weaknesses, it can generate many false positives and can be complex for beginners due to its command line interface and has basic reporting. And coming to strengths of wapiti, and wapiti is user friendly and easy to configure with modular features and good detection of weaknesses, and it is actively maintained. Coming to weaknesses of wapiti, it can be slower and more resource intensive, might miss a few weaknesses, and its report may require additional processing. And my friend will continue next.
Which scanner would you recommend and why? When comparing the skipfish and wapiti, the later tool performs effectively in scanning the weaknesses in the software system. The possible weakness of the target system or web application could be determined using the black box testing. The testing kinds of security vulnerabilities such as XXC injection, database injection, and SQL injection and other could be identified using this recommended tool. An additional points we can add to this tool is wapiti is an open source tool, which means it is freely available to use and accessible among the security professional. Wapiti is actively maintained and updated by its developer community. However, as with any security tool, it is essential to use Wapiti as a part of comprehensive security testing strategy. It includes regular vulnerability assessments. And the next slide we have user references,
Yeah, these are
and
the
these are the references which we
slide.
have used.
Yeah, thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.